In 1908, Henry Ford revolutionized mobility with his little Model T. But he did not envision that his dream of setting man free would result in the urban chaos we live with today. Deep Aero is building the drone economy powered by AI and blockchain. Deep Aero's passenger drones will help people commute faster, and cargo drones will help deliver cargo cheaply and efficiently. Deep Aero's AI-driven, autonomous drone UTM platform on the blockchain will manage commercial drone traffic. Deep Aero's innovative, decentralized marketplace, Drone MP, will be the foundation of the drone economy. This entire economy will be powered by drone tokens. These tokens will be used to buy and lease drones, purchase spare parts, and even make drone taxi bookings on the marketplace. ICO pre-sale starts on 30th March 2018. This is your chance to be a part of the revolution and power the future of mobility. Visit www.deepaero.com for more information. Deep Aero, the drone people.